Hi guys, I just wanted to take a minute to explain a few things that you guys are going to be doing in class on Monday. I'm out at a conference, so I wanted to let you guys know what you're going to be up to during class. And for this class, you guys are going to spend your time researching for our project of the second unit, which is the cell matrix. In this project, you guys are going to get the opportunity to learn all about the different cell structures, and this is going to be something where you're going to explore and have some fun. So the sub, who's going to be subbing for me, will hand out a sheet that explains everything that you're going to be doing, but I wanted to let you guys know a couple of things about it. First off, you're going to see that you really have two options on how you handle this project. You can either make a big poster, like a big poster with tables showing all of the different structures, or you can do it in the form of a Google Slides where you will put one of the organelles per slide. So feel free to rewatch this when you're in class with the sheet right next to you so that you can see. But I also wanted to let you know that on the sheet there's really it'll say that there are 5 things that you need to find out about each organelle. That's not true. You're going to put a big old X through the size part. I'm not going to have you do that piece. What you'll be doing is all of the 13 organelles listed on the sheet, and you're going to figure out through research what the relative abundance of each organelle is per cell. So, you know, how many does a cell generally have of each of these? Okay, cell membrane, there's 1. Okay, if it's not 1 that it has, you're not going to know how many exactly they have. So it's relative, meaning you can say 1, you can say few, you can say many, you can say a wicked ton. It just depends on that. Then you have the structure piece that you can see there, okay? And the structure is literally, what is this organelle constructed out of? How is it made? Is it membrane bound? You can use pictures, but the picture can't be it alone. You have to also explain what it's constructed out of. The function, that one's a biggie. Okay, what's the job that this structure has for the cell? Okay, and so really pay attention to that. Oh, there's a grasshopper. Okay, so the function piece, really big. What's the job? And then lastly, I want to know what kingdom of living organisms has cells that contain this structure. So for example, you know, is in the cells of those in an animal kingdom, would I find a cell membrane, or plant, protist, and so on. And you can split up, or actually, you can either split up bacteria into archaea or eubacteria, or you can keep it all together as Monera. So everything is listed right on that sheet. I am going to be a little bit of a pain in the butt in terms of order. I do want you guys, if you do it in Google Slides, do each organelle in the order it's listed on the sheet, and put all of those pieces. Oh man, I forgot a part. Hold that phone. There's one more part that's on the sheet you're going to see. You're also going to see that you need to have an electron micrograph image. Okay, so I'm sorry about that. I left that off my little example chart here. So the electron micrograph image that you find is going to be of an electron microscope image, and you can just Google these, of that organelle, so you can see what it looks like under an electron microscope. And that is the only thing I'm going to ask to have your sources for, is that electron micrograph. So everything's explained on the sheet that you're going to get in class. And just please make sure that if you have any questions, I am reachable. You guys can just message me through Remind and ask away if you have any. But you'll be able to use the entire block to research and to look up these things. This is not going to be due for at least a minimum of another week for you to work on, so I'm just giving you the block to really dig in and start cranking on it. So have some fun, explore. There are textbooks out. If you use any of the textbooks on the center table, just make sure they go right back there, and you're also welcome to use your Chromebooks. So, and again, just make sure that they go back where they belong as well. So have a fun class. Let me know if you have any questions about anything, and I will see you guys as soon as I'm back. So I'm going to go have some fun learning with some science teachers. So take it easy, enjoy yourselves, and I'll see you guys next class.
I'm Zoe.
That's my daughter, Zoe. Have fun, guys. Bye.